Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 13. Over the weekend, I finished responding to your class's papers from the last batch, so make sure you get a chance to look carefully over my response to your paper so you know what to keep doing and what you need to change for next time. I think there were maybe 2 papers turned in late that I still have to respond to. So this week, you're working on your final project. The first assignment for the week is your rationale for mode. So I'm asking you to write to me telling me how you want to present this paper to me. You can think really broadly. Does your topic benefit from a lot of images or maybe from a lot of details? Think about how you can best present your paper and think about how you want to submit that to me and send me your rationale for mode. I'm just asking you to write a few sentences. And if it makes sense to me, I'll write back and say this sounds good. And if I have some suggestions, I'll let you know. The second assignment for this week is to do the same thing you did last week to summarize and review a source for your paper. You should be doing a lot of reading for your assignment right now. I just said paper, I mean multimodal presentation. I think it's important that we're continuing to broaden what we consider to be a text, and I'm still stuck thinking that we call everything a paper. You might choose to do this assignment in a lot of different ways. So I'm in my office hours right now. You can pop in and talk to me or schedule another time to talk to me if you'd like to. I hope everyone's doing well. Keep in touch and let me know if you have any questions.